If you're a homeowner contemplating whether to rent or sell your property, it's essential to analyze the long-term financial implications, risk factors, and strategic considerations associated with each option. While renting can generate passive income and allow you to hold on to an appreciating asset, it also comes with property management responsibilities, tenant risks, and financial obligations that extend beyond mortgage payments. Conversely, selling provides immediate liquidity and may offer tax advantages, but it also means foregoing potential future gains and removing a tangible hedge against inflation. I'm Megan Johnson, broker-realtor with Modernest Realty, serving the amazing Dallas-Fort Worth area. In this video, we'll explore the core factors to help you make an informed decision that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Renting out your home can be a strategic move, particularly in strong rental markets with high occupancy rates and rising rents. However, before you go down this path, consider whether you have the appetite for being a landlord. Managing a rental property requires ongoing oversight, from handling routine maintenance and emergency repairs to navigating tenant concerns and lease enforcement. If you lack the time, expertise, or inclination to take on these responsibilities, hiring a professional property management firm may be necessary. While this can alleviate much of the burden, management fees typically range from 8% to 12% of monthly rental income, which can erode profitability. Beyond management, tenant risk is a critical factor. A well-screened tenant can provide stable, predictable income, but inadequate vetting can result in costly turnover, unpaid rent, or even legal proceedings for eviction. The eviction process itself varies by jurisdiction, often requiring months of legal action and lost income before regaining control of the property. Additionally, even the best tenants will eventually move, and each vacancy period incurs costs in marketing, potential rent reductions to secure new tenants, and lost revenue. Financial risk extends beyond vacancies. As the owner, you remain responsible for mortgage payments, property taxes, homeowners insurance, and ongoing maintenance, regardless of whether the property is generating rental income or not. Major repairs, such as HVAC replacements, roof repairs, and plumbing failures, can significantly impact your cash flow. Furthermore, shifts in local economic conditions, changes in rental demand, or new government regulations such as rent control measures or zoning restrictions can even affect the viability of renting as a long-term strategy. If leveraging a rental property is part of your broader investment portfolio, it's also essential to assess whether rental yields outperform other investment opportunities that require less operational involvement. Now, from a tax perspective, renting can provide advantages, such as depreciation deductions and the ability to offset rental income with certain expenses. However, it also means forfeiting the primary residence capital gains exclusion when you eventually sell. Under Section 121 of the IRS tax code, homeowners can exclude up to $250,000 in capital gains or $500,000 for married couples filing jointly if they have owned and lived in the home for at least 2 of the last 5 years. If you convert your primary residence into a rental and later decide to sell, this exclusion may no longer apply, potentially exposing you to a significant tax liability on appreciated value. On the other hand, selling offers other advantages of liquidity, allowing you to unlock your equity and redeploy the capital into other ventures. This could include reinvesting into higher yield opportunities such as real estate syndications, stock market investments, or business expansion. For those looking to relocate or downsize, selling can provide financial flexibility and eliminate the ongoing responsibilities of property ownership. One of the primary financial benefits of selling is the ability to take advantage of the capital gains tax exclusion if you meet the ownership and use tests. By strategically timing your sale while still qualifying for the exclusion, you may be able to minimize or eliminate your capital gains tax altogether. Additionally, selling in a strong market may yield a premium, allowing you to capitalize on appreciation that may not be sustained in the long term. However, selling also means relinquishing a tangible asset that could continue to appreciate and serve as a hedge against inflation. Real estate historically appreciates over time, and holding onto a property may yield greater long-term wealth accumulation compared to an immediate sale. Now, if the property is in a rapidly developing area, future growth could significantly increase its value as well. Investors must weigh the opportunity cost of selling now versus holding onto an appreciating asset. Another key consideration is your next housing plan. If you are selling a primary residence, ensuring that you have secured suitable alternative housing, whether purchasing a new home, moving into a rental, or downsizing, is essential. Market conditions may impact your ability to buy at a favorable price, and in competitive environments, securing a new home could prove challenging. Selling without a clear plan could lead to temporary housing costs, added stress, or making a rushed decision on your next purchase. Ultimately, deciding whether to rent or sell your home is an incredibly complex financial decision that requires careful evaluation of market conditions, personal financial goals, and risk tolerance. Renting can provide recurring income and potential long-term appreciation, but comes with responsibilities, market volatility, and tenant risks. Selling offers liquidity, potential tax advantages, and a clean exit, but means giving up future gains. I'm Megan Johnson, your local broker-realtor with Modernest Realty, serving the amazing Dallas-Fort Worth area here. Now, if you need guidance in making this decision, our team at Modernest Realty is here to help. We can analyze your specific situation, provide you with market insights, and help you develop a strategic plan that aligns with your financial goals. Reach out to us today for a consultation, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate insights in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. I'm here and always happy to help. I'll see you next time. Bye.